Seneta wa kaunti ya Meru Kadhuri Murungi na rirĩtie mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru muthenya rwari kirwari arokie na menete obichi ya ngavana Khaira Mwangaza akiuga kwina utumiri bwa mbeca cia mwingi amwe na mbeca cia kaunti kuma ruo Meru ngura mubango ya barabara na MTF. Kaitano kau Kadhuri na kathete MCAs nikira kuga ni batumirite kanyago gikatiba bweya muno kire gutega uritingwe nkuru na rombete ya Meru kwa tambaru na kuidira bakie ka minister urimi mithikalentori mwanike twandato muthuri Muriuki na ndatoi
Muthiria narua munini wa speaker ndene seneti na kinyana wa seneta Meru Kadhuri Murungi na kinyite mbunge ya Meru ikendamba kwalire MCA mandu jege weti na mbere ndene kaunti ya Meru kuringana seneta Kadhuri Murungi augete kwina mibango ya mingi ndene kaunti ya Meru itegwitore baterie untu bwa mbere ni mandu jege mubango ja kunja barabara jo MTF haranga vra Meru Khaira Mwangaza ajukire ngurunge milioni 500 ja 31 na kugeke thirikari nene kenda kunja barabara untu bra kuringana seneta Meru mubango jojo tumba kubwa buru
kuregana buru na endekithia riria ngavana Mwanka naro bagutumira mbeca cia kwenja njira through MTF wondi nyingi Mwanka naro mbure kuma April na mbure iraurire ya last year in December na mbure eura April wondi nyingi itomba kwa tendo kirembe jire chonde cheki 5.1 million this financial year ndina kika ni wondi nkai mono chumbite kuthonde kwa barabara na ginya cha thonde kwete wikira maiga kana chithwa chi very motorable so inkwenda muno idea ya MTF ngavana na executive yawe ibatigane yo buru kuma mwaka jojo na mbe chiri itigere ichigairo wondiu na ichwero contractor nontu thaijire itegwite cha mashinani nikenda contractors brabe Meru iji bakomba gwitanguge na Ameru bara baitangwe na kandarasi bomba kona mbeca so inkwenda muno kinya county government ya Meru ithuganye manzo ya MTF nontu twenderera na MTF nonga tureteri matrakta jira zonde jende guru ya Afrika iyo jomba gwita ngugi kire wondi cheto 45
untu bojairi ni mandu jege okuboma mwiri seneta kiwa nandi ute motungata ya menga ja kwenda sibitari ne Meru.
The county government according to my observation has failed to demonstrate zeal and vigor in the fight against cancer and providing quality health care to the people of Meru. Time to visit some of health facilities, and it is apparent that most of them are either non-functional or are not optimally functional due to inadequate staffing and the unavailability of the most basic drugs.
Na kimandu ja kwalia budget yeji agwana kuwata mbaru MCA kire budget ye bakuthithia ekutikira murandi jukumekana na mbeca ju atumika ira kumnyeka ja program based
support kinya assembly ya Meru nontu te assembly ngi ndone kenda kuthithia itemized budget kana program based budget ike na mbeca gutiwa kire executive itegatiga goimami no tu itekomekana ori gwita na mbeca iri gwita kire departments gutwike chionde na chichi ko mono ira nyingi igeta ke development tegwita kire recurrent expenditure so ngo support mono idea bene ya ku make sure ba gutamburanga budget ndikenda bakomba wike mirandi mashinani na untubo ibo bwega mono na bwatuma economy ya Meru ikure
na ja seneta Meru agwa kiroto kiawe kimandu jegi urimi akira thirikari ya county uju.
Vision is to have Meru lead from the front in this endeavor to create meaningful employment. I therefore urge the county government to spearhead the adoption of technology in the agriculture sector, especially in the marketing segment, to eliminate brokers who reap huge fees at the expense of the meager income of the farmers, which has made farming less lucrative. Further, the county government should introduce modern farming practices such as drying, refrigeration, and preservation that will ensure farmers don't sell their products at throw-away prices.
Na kuringana nwe kuma gutonya sireti betire chejande ne county mbiri chongerekete kuma bilioni 11.6 na kunya bilioni 11.9.
It is important to know that since I came to the office, the current approved budget has increased from 11.36 billion in the financial year 2022-2023 to Kenya shillings 11.9 billion in the financial year 2023-2024, which represents an increase of 5%.
Kiri mandu jegi ripoti odi tanjereru auga mbetere mandu jaja ni gavana wa Meru akeba gitege seneti nikenda gutikira na gucokia biuria bia nkuruki milioni 700 ili kurikana jori tendene kaunti ya Meru.
The county executive of Meru is faced with poor record keeping, evidenced by the unsupported expenditure queries, poor budget execution, failure to comply with the law on fiscal responsibilities, non-compliance with the Public Procurement and Assets Disposal Act 2015, and non-compliance with the Public Finance Management Act 2012 and its regulations. On our part, the Senate will invite the governor to appear before its watchdog committee, the Public Accounts Committee, County Public Accounts Committee, to respond to the audit queries raised by the Office of the Auditor General.
Akiwa Mwankere Nandi, ndwangi mwanya cha kaunti ya Meru, ni kuona ni itiko dhivya bwega.
Indicates that as at the 1st of March 2024, which is the first half of the financial year, the Meru County Government Departments average absorption of development expenditure was at 20.2%. That is half year. Departments such as agriculture, which is the backbone of Meru County, recorded not only unsatisfactory but also an acceptable performance of 18.9%. This budget underperformance is detrimental to service delivery and puts the county on the brink of an economic precipice.
Antuna manto angwataniro ira gwetithuna na mbere na kurubanjuri ncheke na atongire makanisa agwe na kugwata mbaru.
Embrace the initiative of reconciliation being spearheaded by our revered and venerable Council of Elders, the Ncheke, our notable members of the clergy and bishops, with the blessing of the Head of State, His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, and His Deputy, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. I firmly believe that the unity of Meru County would accelerate economic prosperity and bring us honor and bargaining power in the national arena.
Na muthine buruni kwira Meru betho bagigika ministry mibithekani nturi.
Yes, nturi enegamba nale kire National Assembly. Ndera Meru ituike mtu wetu. Issues cha fertilizer ilio lakini no ntubwa distribution na nara ya umaga na baraba thithite contracts unambi ibategerwa ni DCI na EACC na ngweteke kinyawe akona justice iria aguchwana aria akuinterrogatwa ni 11 member committee na ndina hakika kamiti eu nio ikombo muthikira na mwe justice.
Thuri Muriuki, World TV, Mutiro Jokangangi.